Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Most people don't invest because they think it's complicated, expensive, or risky. But what's actually risky is doing nothing, while your money sits in a savings account, earning basically 0%. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you that index fund investing isn't mysterious. It's just a math game where time is your biggest weapon. Let's start with what index funds actually are, because once you get this, everything else clicks. An index fund is literally just a basket of hundreds or thousands of stocks bundled into one investment. Instead of picking individual companies, which even professional investors fail at 90% of the time, you're buying a tiny piece of the entire market. Think of it like buying a slice of every major company in America instead of betting your money on one pizza place. Here's the specific math that should blow your mind. Let's say you're 25 years old and you invest $10,000 in a simple index fund today. Historically, the S&P 500 returns about 10% per year on average. By the time you're 60, the $10,000 becomes approximately $452,000. You didn't do anything special. You just didn't touch it. But if you add $200 every single month, you're looking at over $1.2 million. That's how passive income actually works. Now here's the 3-step blueprint that gets you started this week. Step 1. Pick a brokerage. Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab are the safest, most beginner-friendly options. Step 2. Open an account. It takes literally 15 minutes online. Step 3. Invest in a total market index fund. The ticker symbol for the Vanguard version is VTI. Fidelity is FSKAX. That's it. You don't need $10,000. Most platforms let you start with your first $100. But here's where most people self-sabotage, and this mistake costs them $50,000 or more over their lifetime. They panic when the market drops 15 or 20%. They sell low because they're scared, locking in losses. Then, when the market bounces back, which it always does, they've missed the recovery. The real secret isn't picking winners. It's staying invested and letting compound interest do the heavy lifting while you sleep. Let me be crystal clear. This is educational content about personal finance and investing for beginners. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always do your own research and speak with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. What I'm telling you is that the data is overwhelming. Index funds beat active trading, they beat stock picking, and they beat sitting on the sidelines. The hardest part isn't understanding index funds. The hardest part is just starting. Right now, today, you have the opportunity to build generational wealth with literally 5 minutes of work. Open an account. Invest $100. Set up automatic monthly deposits. Then forget about it. In 40 years, you'll be shocked at what happened when you combined time, consistency, and the power of the entire market working for you. If this video helped you understand how to finally take control of your money, please like it, subscribe for more personal finance truth, and hit that notification bell. Your future self is watching right now, and they're hoping you'll make this decision today. Let's go.